Welcome to the golden world of turmeric, a spice that's not only revered for its ability to add depth and flavor to food, but also for its impressive array of health benefits.
Originating from Southeast Asia, turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years, thanks to its potent compound curcumin. Curcumin is the star player in turmeric, providing it with its vibrant golden color and its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Interestingly, the active curcumin content of turmeric is only around 3% by weight, which is why concentrated supplements are often recommended for therapeutic effects.
Turmeric can aid in reducing the pain associated with arthritis due to its anti-inflammatory qualities, making it a natural alternative to pharmaceutical painkillers.
Research indicates that curcumin can boost levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which increases the growth of new neurons and fights various degenerative processes in the brain.
Curcumin's antioxidant properties can help neutralize free radicals in the body, which are known to contribute to aging and many diseases. Studies suggest that turmeric may improve the endothelial function of your blood vessels, which is important for heart health and can reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporating turmeric into your diet could help improve your skin's appearance, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that can combat signs of aging.
Turmeric has been shown to increase the antioxidant capacity of the body, potentially offering protection against certain cancers.
Turmeric may help in reducing depression symptoms by boosting neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. This golden spice is also beneficial for digestion, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help calm an upset digestive system.
Adding black pepper with turmeric can significantly enhance the absorption of curcumin into the bloodstream.
The anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric can also aid in managing exercise-induced inflammation and muscle soreness, thus enhancing recovery and subsequent performance in active individuals.
Turmeric's antibacterial properties make it a natural healer, having been used as a disinfectant for cuts and burns for centuries.
It's fascinating to note that turmeric fabric dyeing dates back to the ancient Vedic culture of India, highlighting its importance beyond culinary and medicinal uses.
Curcumin has been studied for its potential to delay or reverse diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer by crossing the blood-brain barrier.
Turmeric milk, or golden milk, is a traditional Indian and Ayurvedic beverage that combines turmeric, cinnamon, and other spices in warm milk, touted for its health benefits. The curcumin in turmeric has been linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of brain diseases.
Turmeric may play a role in preventing and treating Alzheimer's by clearing the buildup of protein tangles called amyloid plaques.
There's ongoing research into curcumin as a potential treatment for various types of cancer, with some promising preliminary findings.
Turmeric has been used as a natural fabric dye, producing a bright yellow-orange color that's as vibrant as its culinary and medicinal uses.
In the quest for natural weight loss solutions, turmeric's ability to enhance fat burning and reduce inflammation is being explored.
The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can help soothe conditions like psoriasis and eczema when applied topically or ingested. Turmeric is a natural liver detoxifier, helping to boost liver function and reduce levels of toxicity in the body.
The spice is not only used in cooking, but also forms a major part of religious and ceremonial practices in some cultures, emphasizing its cultural significance.
Regular consumption of turmeric has been linked to reduced symptoms of bloating and gas in people suffering from indigestion.
Curcumin's role in turmeric as a natural anti-inflammatory compound makes it an effective natural remedy for headache relief, particularly those related to sinus pressure.
Historically, turmeric was used as a natural remedy for jaundice and other liver ailments due to its detoxifying properties.
Turmeric's benefits are not just limited to humans. It's also used in veterinary medicine, particularly for pets with inflammatory conditions.
Turmeric can be incorporated into your diet in various forms, including fresh root, powder, capsules, teas, and even as an ingredient in skincare products.
Despite its countless benefits, consuming turmeric in very high doses can cause digestive issues, so moderation is key.
Turmeric has a role in the dyeing process, not just for textiles, but historically even for coloring food and cosmetics. This golden spice is also a key ingredient in many traditional Asian dishes, imparting a warm, bitter taste and vibrant color to the cuisine.
Interestingly, turmeric use dates back nearly 4,000 years to the Vedic culture in India, where it was first used as a culinary spice and in religious ceremonies. A group of islands in the Pacific Ocean was historically known as the Turmeric Islands due to the abundance of the spice.
Turmeric production is a significant agricultural activity in many parts of the world, with India being the largest producer and exporter. The golden hue of turmeric has been symbolically associated with prosperity and fertility in various cultures around the world. In modern wellness circles, turmeric lattes, also known as golden milk lattes, have become a popular way to enjoy the health benefits of this spice in a delicious, comforting beverage. Exploring the benefits and uses of turmeric leads us down a golden path of natural healing, culinary exploration, and a deeper understanding of ancient wisdom that continues to benefit modern life.